Hi everyone, here we are coming from REALME X3 SuperZoom, and let me show you how to block specific number on this device. So we've got two options to choose from. I will show you of course the both. The first option is to open the dialer, and let's choose the three dots icon. Click on the settings and choose blocked numbers. As you can see, we have no blocked numbers right now. Of course, you can activate the feature that your device will block calls from unidentified callers. But if you want, you can also add a phone number manually. So let's click on this and simply let's add a number, click on block, and from now on you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. If you want to unblock it, nothing easier, simply click on this X button right here and click on unblock. As you can see, this number has been unblocked. And the second option is to block the contact. So simply let's go to your contact list and select the contact you want to block. Simply click on it and choose the three dots icon. Here we've got block numbers, so click on that. I don't want to report it as a spam. And if you are ready, simply click on block. And as you can see by this icon, this number is blocked and you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages. If you want to unblock it, simply click on this three dots icon and click on unblock numbers. Confirm unblock. And as you can see, this contact got back to its normal state. So that's all. This is how you block contacts in your REALME X3 SuperZoom. And thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.